Let's see it. There we go. 10 more. And good. Perfect. Right back to our weight plate flow here. We get 6 of each. Curl, front raise into the squat. Very nice. Curl, down controlled, front raise, down controlled, front raise. Hold it right at those eyes. Good. Keeping that up there the entire time. Let's go, Ben. Front raise, keep it up there. Right back up. Oh, yeah, right there. Good. Front raise squat. Hold it. Nice. 3 more. Front raise, down controlled. Front raise squat. Let's go. 2 more, Ben. 2 more, Ben. Come on. Keep working. Keep working. Front raise. Front raise squat. 1 more. And good. Nice job.